No way.
What is that?
A dime?
Okay, now we gotta see if we find it. Are you sure that it looks like an axe?
Let me see.
All right.
Move it around.
What is it?
It's treasure. It's the treasure.
No way. Is there any gold?
Yes. Yes.
Let me see.
Gold. There's gold. Wow. Gold. Gold.
Put them in your pockets, baby.
My gold. My gold. Yeah, but you get the regular coins. Okay.
Did you guys find the treasure?
Yeah. Wait, there's more under here.
Guys, make sure we don't miss any treasure. Then bring everything.
Okay. I didn't keep the gold in.
You keep the golden coins?
Yes, because I'm the biggest.
Oh, really?
Me too. Found a quarter. Hey, come back. Hey, come back, quarter. Come back, quarter.
Let me see, Danny. Show me the treasure.
Hey, where is that?
Look at me.
Wait, I found one.
Come here, Gabriel. Show me the treasure.
I found one more left. One. Oh, there's one. There's two more.
Make sure you don't miss any.
Nope.
Let me see, Gabriel. Let me see the treasure. Let me see. Both of you guys stand next to each other. Look at me. Look at me, Gabriel. Gabriel, look at me.
Okay, but don't put them on there. Put them in your hand.
Gabriel, let me see. Look at me, guys.
No.
Look at me. 1, 2, and 3. Cheese. Nice job, guys.
Put the Xbox.
Let me see.
Yeah, my quarters.
They think it's still there.